Listen to the supercharger sing. Wow, that was awesome, Pete. Hi, I'm Lou with another episode of My Car Story. Today we're in the suburbs of Indiana, and I've got Pete Wojtowicz with me today, and he's got an amazing Mustang for us. Pete, what year, make, and model is this one?
We have a 2007 GT500 Super Snake with the NASCAR 427 package.
Let's take a look at this. This is one bad Mustang. Come on alongside me. And this is really great that, you know, we're just kind of coming back to the retro look. And they put this together, and I think Shelby really did this one well. First of all, the colors on it. How long have you had it?
A couple of years now.
And I can see why you wanted this car, but why did you pick this car?
It was a barn find in New York. A friend of mine was buying a car.
A barn find?
A barn find,
An 07?
Yeah, a nice car.
Yeah.
A nice barn find. But anyway.
A modern barn find.
Yeah, a modern barn find. But it was in the corner.
Yeah.
And all dirty. Tires were flat. Needed a battery. And the gentleman was 85 years old, so...
And you saved it.
Yeah, we saved it.
You saved it.
To life.
Come on right alongside me. Let's see the saved Mustang. Well, you certainly have dollied up the jewelry on this one. It's a little bit windy out, but we're going to deal with that. One thing I want to focus on too is check out that snorkel, that big hood scoop there. I really think, and it's got these shark gills on it. It's got the shadowed black there. Hey, come on back, boy. Those rims.
It kind of reminds me of the old 68 KRs.
Yeah, exactly. Let me let people take that look in right there. Yeah, they're just coming back with the Camaro looking like the 60s Camaros, and they're trying to make the Mustang look like the 60s Mustangs, and I think they did a really nice job on this one. Look at you've got Super, Snake, I'll do that, Forged, and Shelby. I had to do kind of that to get you all in there, but...
And if you look at it real close, the plastic is still on the wheels.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it's 800 miles on the car.
Oh my goodness. So this gentleman bought it, put it in the side of his barn. It actually says GT500 Super Snake right there. You barely see that, but it's there. I almost think if I put my body against it, maybe you could see it better. The carbon fiber on the mirrors, the faux brakes, the faux look here. Wow. And you've already seen the acceleration run. This one gets up and goes with that supercharger.
724 horse.
Look at the back of this. I want to show you that badge. Shelby scrawled out. And while we're back here, I've got some trunk and treats for you. Open up our trunk and treats. Pete, what do you have here?
This is an autographed print of a Super Snake that Camilo Pardo did in 2010, and then he autographed it again in person last year.
Wow. Wow, and that's part of this car now.
Yes.
That is super cool. Well, let's show what we've got in our trunk and treats. Here is your vehicle authenticity certificate, showing that this is the real deal. A little 40th anniversary pouch. This was the Shelby here. I'm guessing this Shelby was before the Super Snake.
Correct.
Yeah, so that, and then it's got this cool Las Vegas piece in here, and that shirt. That just looks great, as you can see. And we'll show you the rest of the car. And as I continue around the car, I want to show you this view right here. May I open it, Pete?
Yes.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
We've got the gas here. All right, Ford recommends BP for this one. Must have had a sponsorship with them. Go ahead. I can see you want to pull those keys. Go ahead. While you're doing that, we've got the door there. Big cushy seats. And you're gonna need those when you get in your, well, Super Snake. You have all of this information here. You saw the authentication. Take a look at some of the details. I want to step here so you can see those headrests, and I'll show you them closer. You've got the beautiful Las Vegas 427 matching here. You know, for a car that was a barn find, I don't know what you did to the interior, but it smells pretty good. This is reminiscent of the early Shelby race cars where you'd have the gauges up there, the CD player, the short throw 6-speed, and this all-important Super Snake right here. Again, the floor mats, your warnings, even the word Shelby up here. It's a new car. Wow. The right amount of pedals. Let's take a look under the hood, shall we? Got hood pins. Probably got to pop those first, don't we? Word Shelby on the hood pins. Oh boy. Now, did it have all that chrome when you bought it?
Yes, it has the engine package on it.
That's what they call this.
Yep.
Man, I am glad that we put this in the sun. They really dulled this up, didn't they?
That's an authentic signature.
I can see that.
Yeah.
Wow. The Ford Racing. The Ford Racing with your big bracing. The word Super Snake across that. The Kenny Bell supercharger, well known for some activity there. The engine building there. I'm hoping I can catch it at the right way. Trying to give you what I can on that. Your octane. You've got this one here, and then your Kenny Bell supercharger model there. But you've got this Super Snake here. You have this oil here, which if we look at it, says the word Shelby on it. You have the word Shelby here. And look at this. I mean, this is one dressed up pony. Wow. That is super cool. And let me not forget that, a very important tag there. Carbon fiber. This has got a lot under there.
Yeah, it does.
What do you think when you open this?
Jewelry.
Right?
Yeah, you look at it and you just, whoa. And you know, you'll see a lot of different ones, but this one is decked out.
Well, even as I'm talking to you now, quote unquote, the jewelry, I don't know if I hit that one. I don't know if I featured that one. I missed Shelby's Super Snake on that. That might be the most dressed up, named up engine I have ever seen. Holy cow.
Yeah. There's another one over there.
Yeah, they didn't miss a beat. They said, well, what else can we see that we can just put the name on? I mean, you got Ford Racing, you got the SVT over here with the person's name. Well, we have to listen to it start. Let's start it. Let's put it idle. I'll listen to the exhaust. While I'm up here, we will give it a little bit of a rev because we want to hear that Kenny Bell supercharger. Oh God, you don't want to hear that coming up on you. Can you step on the brakes for a second? Excellent. Does this have the sequential taillights? Let's do a left turn. It does have the sequential taillights. Nice. All right. I see the word, looks looks like Shelby on the tips there. I could be wrong. Let me listen to it idle. Well, that means business. Go ahead, Pete, give it a rev. Oh, we're like little kids.
I know.
All right, let's take it for a ride.
All right, let's do it.
A 2007 Shelby GT500 Super Snake. Pete, what do you think?
I love it.
Yeah.
I really don't want to sell it.
Jeez. All right, you said you don't want to sell it. Will you sell this one?
Yeah, I'll sell this one.
All right, okay. If people want to know how much, give me put it in the comments. I'll send you my email and we can talk about it. But look right around the beginning of six figures, and we'll start to talk there. But what a great car! First of all, I mean the short throw shifter. You know, in 07, this is 750 horsepower. That's, I mean, the Viper in 07 was put, well, first of all, in 07 they didn't have a Viper, but the next year they came out with 600. This is still 150 more horsepower.
And you can feel it.
Oh, you can feel it. I know you like doing that, just jacking that gas a little bit.
Oh, yeah. Well, I can't help it. I'm a kid. When I get in these cars, I'm a kid.
Now you save the car. You've kept it in your garage to take care of it for that time. It's number one. It's a beautiful car. I mean, it really looks good in black.
It's really collector quality. It's brand new. 800. Let's see. We have 809 miles on it right now.
Oh my goodness. And obviously the gentleman before didn't do much with it at all.
It just sat for years and
so
years.
You saved it, you brought it back to life, and now someone else, this is your opportunity to get a car like this. And it's a brand new car.
It truly is.
Literally, it's just been broken in.
Still got the original tires on it.
Show this thing. The camera's jerking, you'll see why. Like so. It just spins them. It doesn't ride on them.
These tires are old. They're 20 years old.
But it spins on them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the Challenger in front of us doesn't want to challenge us, that's for sure. He's going, I don't think so. Well, Pete, it's always a fun time getting together with you. Thanks so much. I'm looking forward to sharing this car. If people are interested, send me a note in the comments on YouTube. I'll take a look at that. I'll send you my email. We can talk about it. Pete, thanks so much for being in my car store.
Hey, thanks, Lou. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.